Hello friends, today I explain secretarial duties regarding conversion of private company into public company. In our previous video, we have discussed the conversion of private company into public company. As regarding that, secretary has to perform certain duties. That first, he has to call BOD meeting. In BOD meeting, all the board of directors will discuss about the conversion of public company into private company. In board of directors, they pass this resolution regarding conversion of private company into public company. After passing the resolution, they decide on conducting extraordinary general meeting and inform to the secretary to call the extraordinary general meeting. So the second duty is the company secretary will prepare the notice of meeting, that too for extraordinary general meeting. The notice includes the date, time, place and agenda of the meeting, and this notice, the notice of meeting, will be served before 21 days to all the shareholders. And then he prepare altered AOA. As we know that before conversion of private company into public company, we need to verify the AOA, whether AOA will permit the alteration of or conversion of private company into public company or not. AOA is a document which has to permit for the conversion of private company into public company. If AOA doesn't include any provisions regarding conversion, then AOA has to be altered. So the company secretary has to prepare an altered AOA which permit for conversion of private company into public company. Then the fourth, conduct extraordinary general meeting. So he has to conduct extraordinary general meeting. In that extraordinary general meeting, the special resolution should be passed regarding conversion of private company into public company. Special resolution is the resolution passed with 75% of the majority, or the special resolution should be passed for conversion of private company into public company or to increase the capital. After conducting extraordinary general meeting, the next duty of the secretary is to file with registrar. The secretary has to submit certain documents to the registrar. Those records are altered prospectus or the new prospectus, and he should file the notice and resolutions pass in the meetings, both board of directors meeting and extraordinary general meeting. There will be two resolutions. Those two resolution copies and the notice of the meeting should be submitted with the registrar. After submitting these documents, registrar will verify resolutions. The registrar will verify the resolution and give approval for conversion of public company into private company. So here in this regard, the company secretary has to obtain new certificate of incorporation obtain new certificate of incorporation from the registrar or certificate of registration. It has to be obtained from registrar. After verifying the resolutions, registrar will give the approval. That is, after approval they issue the new certificate of incorporation, which has to be collected by company secretary. After collecting new registration certificate, he has to make the other alterations. So he has to take steps for conversion. The remaining steps he has to take, such as preparing new documents or records and increasing capital and following provisions of public company. These are the activities has to be conducted by the secretary. These all are the duties of the secretary as regard conversion of public company into private company. Thank you.